Hello, this is Randy Lindsay with Hawkeye Traders. I want to show you a quick trade setup I've got going on in crude oil. My 3-minute chart gave me a nice double dot roadkill buy entry signal just after 6 o'clock this morning. Looking into this trade setup, I'm looking at trying to get to a Hawkeye level 3. You can see if I put my level tools on. A level 3 is my first target. That gives me a 3-to-1 risk reward ratio. I'm risking 5 ticks in this trade. I'm very close to getting stopped out, but that's okay because a 5-tick risk will give me a 15-tick profit target. It can also give me a 25-tick or a 35-tick profit target. The idea is to enter when the setup shows itself and take the profit targets or the stop, whichever comes first. It's a simple trade setup. It's a plan that I've used for many, many years. Now this trade has gone for 7 bars. If you look at the initiation of the trade right here, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bars. You can see at this point, if by 7 bars I'm not already in profit, I need to decide whether to stay in this trade or not. And currently I'm going to go ahead and hold with this trade. With the 5-tick setup, it's already been challenged. I think I have a very good opportunity to make a good profit. I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, quick update to let you know the trade has finally broken higher than the Hawkeye pivot, which is the breakout point for a new trend. When trades go into consolidation and break higher than the previous Hawkeye pivot, we teach that that is the beginning of a new trend. I also got a nice alignment signal on my second time frame showing that the 12-minute chart volume has aligned with the current 3-minute chart volume. So that's a good confirmation on this. The price bar looks like it's good. It closed in the top part of the price bar, and now we're getting a new high based upon that. So I'm looking for this to continue on out. So let's continue to watch and see how the trade develops. Price is continuing a nice slow steady climb up into profit. You can see that I got a confirmation of my second time frame, and you can also see price has already closed higher than the previous high on structure. So everything is slow and steady, but it's taking its time in getting to any of my profit targets. I'm debating whether to go ahead and take a level 2 profit target because the volume is extremely low this morning. Being the week of Christmas, I anticipate usually lower than normal volume. So I'm also looking into that. A lot of people are probably wondering why I took this trade to begin with. Well, first of all, it gave me a nice entry signal and alignment setup. But before that, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A long time before, I saw that the price had given me a nice bottoming reversal signal. Volume came in at the bottom of the pull down, showing that buyers were ready to push this target up. Prior to that, just right around the London Open, you could see the exact same thing in crude oil, where price was getting into new lows and buyers started to step in, and the result was price came back up. When you see selling activity pushing the price back down again, buyers came right back in again. The V-swarm was evident around these times, telling me the future direction of price, and there you can see. So at this point, it gave me a really nice confirmed signal to go ahead and take that trade and to enter on that. So on a 5-tick risk, I'm currently up about 10 ticks. As the target looks like it's going to give me about 12 ticks on a level 2, but we'll see if we can hit a level 3. And I would be very happy to go home with 3 levels of profit. If not, I'll be even happier if it hits a 5-level profit, and then I'll just be ecstatic if it gives you a 7 level off of that. Since I did hit a level 2, I closed right at level 2, then I'm going to go ahead and take my stop and I will move it right up to break even. So that way this trade has now gone to a no loss condition. I will even give it 1 tick to pay for the trade. I have created a new structure low right here, so I'm going to go ahead and pull my stop up to Hawkeye level 1, which would give me a 1-to-1. If I get taken out on this bar, that's fine. I'll have at least 1 level of profit locked in with 1 level of risk.
Stub filled.
And there it is. So just want to let you know that I was able to take the trade and fulfill at least one level of profit. So from a 5-tick risk, I was able to take 6 ticks of profit out of this trade. And on 5 contracts, that's $300 in just about 1 hour's time. Thank you very much for your time and attention. I hope you learned something from this. Hawkeye tools are designed not only to help you to enter trades, but to exit them and to manage your trades, to understand exactly how to take best trade opportunities that come before you. Come to my free live training room every Wednesday. Also, download a copy of our free ebook and come to the new live training seminar that we're going to be holding online coming in February. So look for new emails with regards to that. We'll be getting that going in February. So thank you for your time.